Hey you guys, welcome to Happy Conscious Living. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below this video and to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new future video uploads. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing ice cream look like anti-aging, anti-acne mask. So first of all, you will need your dried hibiscus leaves, and I simply soak them with some mineral water. So I like to flip them around here and there, and I will leave them to soak for about 10-20 minutes until the water is completely red. So right now we are going to seed our pomegranate. I actually made a video before that where I show how to seed and juice your own pomegranate, and I will link that video in the video description box below. So here is a quick preview of how I do it. I noticed that with this way of juicing, you don't have any bitterness in the juice, so it's lovely and sweet. And with the leftover seeds, we are going to create our mask. So now our hibiscus leaves are fully soaked and it's time to boil them. Now that we have separated the juice from its leaves, it's time to add in all the ingredients into the blender. To have a full list of the ingredients and to know the exact measurements, simply click the link below this video, which will lead you to the magazine of Happy Conscious Living. You will find the recipe for this beautiful, delicious anti-aging and anti-acne pomegranate mask in issue 6. You can add your own favorite essential oils. I am using here rose and ylang ylang. You may notice that I'm not adding all of my acai powder and bentonite clay. I simply want to use that later when I'm going to smoothen out the mixture after I blended all the ingredients together. And now it's time for some magic. Simply pulse the mixture a few times before you're actually gonna blend it in full. If only this was a smoothie. But trust me, this is not gonna taste good. But don't worry, your skin is gonna thank you 1,000,000 times. If you're actually curious about the health benefits of pomegranates, we actually did an extensive study on the health benefits of pomegranates, their seeds and its juice at happyconsciousliving.com. I will add the link in the description box below, so head over there and have a look there. And I actually wouldn't be surprised if you end up worshipping the pomegranate. That's it, guys. This is how you make your own beautiful pomegranate mask that's gonna make your skin look youthful and glowing again. This mask is just such a bomb of minerals and vitamins and filled with antioxidants. You're just gonna love this so much. It's just a natural facelift you're gonna get from Mother Nature. This mask is just perfect for people that are struggling with acne, want to get rid of their acne scars, or perhaps you want to tighten those enlarged pores and you just want to get rid of your early wrinkles. Then this mask is going to be your goddess. I know it looks tempting, but remember, don't eat this stuff, but you can go ahead and eat the pomegranates. Your belly is going to be so grateful to you, and simply enjoy this mask. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, and please feel free to share this video with your friends. I'm sure they will appreciate you for it. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us in the comment section down below. We're looking forward to seeing you on the other side at happyconsciousliving.com. And in the meanwhile, if you want to be happy, stay positive.
Thank you for watching our video.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe or comment if you have any questions. We invite you to take a look at happyconsciousliving.com to start reading our free monthly inspirational positivity lifestyle magazine. To access our previous releases, make sure to subscribe for free to our magazine today. Happy Conscious Living. Stay positive. Be happy.